When you were a child, did you ever dream of living in a castle? Whether it was being a princess who had been swept off her feet by Prince Charming, or even a prince fighting off incoming troops and throwing them into a moat that surrounded your spacious castle. Well, this dream will come true for one lucky buyer. Located 30 miles from Paris in Vigny, France, you will find the Château de Vigny. It was built in 1504 by the architect Charles Cazot. He designed this for the French Cardinal Georges d'Amboise. This beautiful castle is now for sale, and it can be yours for a mere $5.69 million. It's located only 30 miles from Paris, giving you the convenience of a big city, but giving you the privacy that a castle tends to offer. It is situated across from the town hall. The castle was featured in Rihanna's 2010 music video for Te Amo. In the video, she's seen dancing with the supermodel Leticia Casta while outfitted with a PVC bondage outfit. The castle has 6 different wings, along with an orangery, stables, 2 separate greenhouses, and 2 bridges. It has 6 different towers, each containing a battlement. It also features salons that have carved wooden ceilings that display elaborate detail. The castle boasts 2 separate outbuildings. One contains a professional kitchen while the other contains a pastry laboratory. This beautiful castle is over 37,000 square feet, and it is situated on over 44 acres. Because it was built in 1504, there were parts of the castle that were run down. In 1867, it underwent a renovation where a chapel and a dungeon square were added. Château de Vigny was listed as a historic monument in 1984 and is in amazing condition today. The huge front doors open into a massive foyer with amazing architectural detail. Look at the amazing detail with all of the built-in shelves, the hand-carved ceilings, and the hardwood floor. Could you imagine snuggling up in front of the fire on a cold snowy night, looking out the large windows at your expensive property? This large room can be used as a dining room, although you may need to have a custom dining room table built in order to accommodate the space. There was so much attention to detail put into this castle when it was built and renovated. It's very impressive. If you love to cook, this is the most amazing dream kitchen you could ever think of. This is worth the cost of the castle alone. The grounds are beautiful, full of lush greenery, and the castle is even surrounded by a moat. I would just want to take a tour of the castle without purchasing it. It looks beautiful both inside and out. This castle can be yours because it's currently up for sale and is on the market for $5.69 million. If money was not an issue, would you be interested in purchasing this castle? It has a lot of history and is still being used to this day for music videos and more.